In this video, we are going to talk about the best fat burner supplements available for men and women that will help you to lose fat quickly and safely without any unwanted side effects. The links to buy our best fat burner supplements are in the description below. So, let's get straight into it. At number 1, we have Instant Knockout Cut. The only fat burner on the market that has been developed and is used by professional MMA fighters to ensure they cut weight in time for a fight. Instant Knockout Cut will help you to lose fat, retain muscle, and look great. It works for the professionals when it matters. So, it can work for you too. The powerful, unique natural formula helps you to shred body fat, especially around your waist. Designed for men and women, it gets results quickly and safely. It is endorsed by Greg Jackson, the top MMA coach in the world. His fighters use it to cut weight quickly for their big fights. With thousands of positive reviews in the unique ingredients formula that is updated regularly, Instant Knockout Cut earns the number 1 position in the list. At number 2, we have Burn by Hunter Evolve, the high-dosed fat burner. Burn by Hunter Evolve contains a huge 6 capsules a day serving, that's 180 capsules in a bottle. Burn contains the right ingredients in large doses for faster fat burning results. Its unique, natural, and powerful formula is caffeine-free. It works by suppressing appetite, blocking carbohydrate absorption, and stimulating your metabolism with green tea. It's the most premium and expensive fat burner on our list. If you're looking for the absolute best and can afford to pay for it, we highly recommend Burn. At number 3, Hourglass Fit, our top female-only fat burner. Hourglass Fit has been specifically formulated to help women lose fat quickly, especially around their waist, help you to get a sexy hourglass fit body. It's caffeine-free and contains a large dose of glucomannan, which helps to suppress appetite and reduce cravings. The cayenne pepper stimulates your metabolism, helping you to burn calories throughout the day. With thousands of happy customer reviews and testimonials, Hourglass Fit is the number 1 female-only fat burner on the market. At number 4, we have Hydroxycut Hardcore Elite. From long-standing brand Hydroxycut comes their Hardcore Elite Fat Burner. Containing caffeine, green coffee and yohimbe, it's designed to stimulate your metabolism and to help you to lose weight. This is a pure stimulant product that will appeal to people who like to feel that caffeine buzz. At number 5, Burn XT by Jacked Factory. Coming in at number 5 on our list is Burn XT, another high-stimulant fat burner that contains 60 capsules per bottle. Its key ingredients are acetyl L-carnitine, green tea, caffeine anhydrous, and cayenne pepper, which all work together to stimulate your body and metabolism. It's made in the USA and is vegan-friendly. Alright. Those are the 5 best fat burners for men and women in the market. You can buy the top products in the links below. Thanks for watching.